Susie Colored Temporary Contacts.
You're in the right place. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the before and after look to inspire you. I'm going to show you guys how cute the packaging is. COCO SUSIE, look at that. Isn't it so cute? The little picture of people on there. Graduation, and you get a case. Their Instagram is there, and their website is right there. Check it out. All right, I have very dark brown eyes. Wow, my eyes are glowing, you guys. These are amazing. This is just another way to enhance your appearance or bring out just some really pretty colors out of your eyes. Just like you change your wardrobe and your makeup, why not change your eye color? Gives you a whole different vibe, a whole different appearance of your look. I like it a lot, you guys. Now, these, they're calling them 4K honey. But aren't those like olive green with a little bit of beige in there, kind of? I mean, I guess because my eyes are so dark brown and they did an extremely transformation. Oh, these are so exotic and beautiful. These contacts work well for dramatic transformation, you guys. Beautiful. I love them. All right, you guys, now let's try some blue. I heard a lot of great things about this blue, and I really, going into the summer, I think the blue would be so pretty and exotic as well. And these are really good for dark brown eyes for a real big transformation. It's K10 blue, you guys. Look at that little bit of sky baby blue. Let's pop these babies on. That's why I'm wearing turquoise today, you guys, because look at that. It's like a turquoise baby doll blue. It's like I'm a baby doll. I'm not gonna lie, I did have some difficulties for putting these in. They did not want to fall with me right. I'm still having problems with them a little bit. But it's like a special solution you can buy to make them extra softer, and I think that's what these need. They're just a little bit dry, or my eyes are just a little dry. But that's a transformation. That's actually kind of scary, y'all. Look how beautiful and exotic these are. Wow. I'm gonna let you guys look at it closer up, even though my eyes are a little bit pink, a little irritable. Now, the comfort of these, I will definitely give it like a 7.5, just because the second pair didn't feel as comfortable. For some reason, they're like a little dry or hard. But they're very easy to take out. They did cover the whole round of my eye, and I love the dimension of all the great colors. Yeah, this is a dry contact. It's like drying up already on me. But you look at that, it's like gray, you got your white, you got your turquoise in there. You got so many great colors in this contact. How they designed that is amazing. It is truly amazing. Like, look at that, you guys. Wow. 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 Why not change your look? I mean, it's very affordable. It's nothing much to it. This is amazing how they designed it. I love it. I did apply these on with makeup. I have foundation on, eyeshadow, the full thing. Maybe it got caught underneath, but wow. Look how they totally transform my dark brown eyes. Wow. I really didn't think I was gonna like these as much, but I like them. But I definitely like the first pair more. Please leave the comments down below, you guys. I want to know which one do you like most. I'm going to tell you the truth. For some reason, I might have to flip this one. It's doing a lot of movement right now. It's not as comfortable as the first pair, but the colors that they have on this website of these temporary colored contacts, disposable contacts, whatever you want to call them, just the transformation showing you know, nothing but beauty on their website, you guys. It's unbelievable. Like, they have some amazing colors. Their prices are really affordable. Check out their website. The solution I clean it with is from CVS. It's just your standard solution. I always go in a circle mode. It has instructions of how to clean them properly and everything. These are just monthly, you guys, and it was just one in each individual package. And yeah, get you some good contacts. Call it a day. So this company is based out of Korea. Korea is known for like high-end, great foundation makeup as well as contacts too, for real. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love doing videos about colored contacts or just reviewing any great product. I mean, these give me natural vibes. And my eyes love them. I mean, look at, no irritation, no red, so easy to put on and apply. And look how it looks in this natural light, guys. They are just so amazing. They just enhance my dark brown eyes. So hit that subscribe button right there, you guys, and give this video a thumbs up. I really, truly appreciate it. And back to the moon and stars and love and peace.